Hi everyone! Today we are going to make this super cute cloud-themed candy kit. The idea of eating a cloud feels so dreamy, doesn't it? Look at this packaging! Just seeing it makes me excited to try it. It's amazing that we can make something this adorable. The instructions are written on the back. Let's open it up right away. Oh, there are two types of powder. The first one is called cloud base powder, and the second one is called sky powder. First, we add water to the tray up to the inner line. Maybe like this. Now, we add the cloud base powder. There's quite a lot in the packet. Mix it well. Wow! It's already starting to puff up. It's getting super fluffy. Just like a real cloud. And since the tray itself is shaped like a cloud, this is getting me really excited. Now that our cloud is looking perfect. Let's move on to the right side of the tray and add the sky powder. It's a light blue color, just like the sky. And now, it's done! Let's give it a try. I'm scooping up a big spoonful of cloud and dipping it into the sky powder. Wow! The white and blue colors together are so cute. It's so fluffy. Let's dig in. いただきます。Delicious! The cloud tastes like yogurt, and the sky powder has a soda flavor. The combination of the two is amazing. The texture is fluffy and soft, super addictive. It's a little tricky to scoop up a lot at once, but maybe like this. That sky powder is seriously adorable. And yep, bite number 2 is just as tasty. This is dangerous. I can't stop. There's a lot in here, so it might be fun to share it with friends and family. On this channel, we introduce lots of fun Japanese DIY candy kits like this one. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching until the end. See you in the next video. Bye bye!